Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change sky easily using Photoshop CC 2021. All you have to do is just go to Edit menu and click on Sky Replacement. Sky Replacement dialog box opened now. It is automatically replaced with new sky that is you used earlier. If you want to use different sky, just click the drop down near thumbnail. You can see 3 folder of sky as Photoshop preset. We have a number blue sky, let's check it first. Also we have some spectacular skies. Let's check that too. Finally we can see some beautiful sunsets in the sunsets folder. Thank you Photoshop to save my search time. My preference is this sky for this picture. Once you selected the sky, just click on the outside to close down that. Then we have a number of different functions. First of all, let's check Shift Edge. When you adjust this Shift Edge handle to left, we cannot see the sky through the trees. When we move this handle to right, we can see sky through the trees. Also we can fade edges using this adjustment handle. We can fade edges little bit by this function. Then we have these sky adjustment options. We can adjust the brightness so we can make more brighter. Also you can warm or cool down the sky by adjusting this temperature option. Now the scale option. Basically it is using for zoom in or zoom out the sky. Also we can flip sky horizontally by checking this flip option. Now we don't need this option for this image. On the below flip option you can see foreground adjustment options. First of all, the lighting mode, only 2 options available for lighting mode. Multiply and screen, default option is multiply. If we change to screen mode it looks like this. It is not good for this picture. So let's revert to multiply. Now we have a lighting adjustment option. When we move this handle to right, foreground image is more darker. Then when we move the handle to left, foreground image is more lighter. I think darker is better for this image. Now we have color adjustment. This option works based on the sky. Adjustments are same above all. In this picture I can see only minor changes when we adjust the handle. Also we have an option for preview. If we uncheck this button you can see original image. If you want to replace the sky with your own image, just click on the Create New Sky button. Then select the image from your local folder. You can rename here. Now sky replaced with your own sky. We can put it in its own folder. All you need to do is click on this folder icon, and rename it as your wish. Now just drag this sky to new folder, it is moved to new folder now. I think it would be better to choose sunset sky for this image. So let's change to previous one. After all, click on OK button. You can see sky replacement group folder created now. Just click on the eye icon to see how it is created with new layers. All these layers are editable. If you want to change brightness again, just click on the curved thumb. Now you can edit it. Also you can change the color of the sky by clicking here. Then adjust the color option as your wish. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.